and welcome to my channel. My name is Gabriella Simmons, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what I bought from Amazon. I have patiently awaited for this for about a month and a half now. Came straight from China, and it's something super gimmicky, but I saw this on Instagram, and since I am a salesman's dream, here we are. Let's just go ahead and unwrap this. If you're into makeup, I'm pretty sure you've seen that video on Instagram floating around about the little toy washing machine, so here we are. Feels like Christmas. It's here. I don't have scissors either, so. What are these teeth for? That was obnoxious. Would you look at that? Here it is. This mini appliance. Oh man, you need batteries for this? I don't have batteries. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and get batteries, I think. There we go. It works. It's making sound. This is a little washing machine. It's a kid's toy. Do I think this is gonna work? No, but washing your makeup sponges and then washing your makeup brushes is like exhausting. So I'm gonna put my sponge in here. I'm gonna add, this is what I use for my makeup brushes and my makeup sponges. So, all right, put a little bit of that in there, probably a bit too much. And then I have my thing full of water, and here we go, people. Oh, okay. Wait, now it stopped working. Really? Damn. Oh, now I'm sad it stopped working. Alright, so my washing machine stopped working. And there's that. I'm sad. And I spent $7 on this shit. Oh, now it's working again. Ah! Okay. It's working again, and I figured out what was wrong. So basically, my beauty sponge is just too heavy. Okay, so I'm gonna try, beauty sponge is a no-go. But now I'm gonna try a makeup brush, and here we go. You see it? It's nasty. I've only used it like twice. So, it's not doing a very good job at washing this either, because as soon as I put like a little pressure, it's just not working. The moral of the story is stop buying things on Amazon, stop buying gimmicky things, and this is the third product that I have bought in reference to makeup brushes and makeup sponge washing. There's honestly like no easy way to do it except to wash your makeup brushes at least once a month. At least once a month. A lot of shit gets built up in there, and that's the reality of it. Alright, that is it for today's video. Like and subscribe to my channel. I post videos whenever I feel like it, in all reality, and whenever I'm feeling up to filming, and when life isn't chaotic. So yeah, if you guys want to know when I post videos, there is a subscribe button or bell that'll let you know all the fun stuff.